Think skipping breakfast wrecks your metabolism? Think again. Intermittent fasting is a timing strategy for many people. Common pattern, 16-8. Fast 16 hours, eat 8. Pattern, 5-2. Normal eating 5 days, reduced calories 2. Myth, fasting will make you lose muscle mass. Fact, prioritize protein and strength training to protect muscle. Myth, fasting slows your metabolism long-term. Fact, short-term fasting can actually boost metabolic hormones. It's not magic. Weight loss still needs a calorie deficit. Good food choices still matter for results. Expect benefits from intermittent fasting for many people. Simpler meal planning, fewer meals to plan. Potential blood sugar improvements for some people. Maybe better focus during the fasted window. Warning, it can cause headaches for some. Low energy or lightheadedness, especially at first. Overeating in the eating window if you're not careful. Quick tip. Start slow and build up. Try a 12-12 window as a beginner. Stay hydrated and sip water often. Prioritize protein at meals to protect muscle. Consult a pro if you have health concerns. Ready to try it smart?